Hello viewers, today we have really interesting Thomas playset. Here you can see this is I believe either Chinese or Japanese. You can't breed it, so I'm not even trying. Hello viewers, here you can see Japanese or Chinese playset. This is very interesting. You can see it comes with wire, and very unusually you can see it comes with the two batteries. And here you can see Thomas Topham hat, Thomas and a house. I believe that's the station. Let me show you what is on the other side. You can see the same thing. Here you can see two buttons, and I can't read those, but you can guess it. One is the red button, another one is blue button. It's turned green. Thomas is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up, and I don't think it's a unlicensed one. It's a licensed one, I believe. You can see it has Sony Creative Products Limited Inc. And this one looks like it's the original one. So half Thomas here, half of the body it's here. Let me go ahead and open it and show it to you guys. This is the station that looks like this after I unboxed it, and here is Thomas. And I didn't still put the batteries. The batteries don't go to Thomas, I believe. It goes at the back of station. So let me go ahead and put the batteries. Let's put the battery, and here I press the blue one. Oh, it brings Thomas forward, and red one, it brings Thomas backward. It makes him go backward. So let me go ahead and try it. Ooh. I hope it doesn't fall. Oh, that's awesome. You see, that's how you can make it. Oh, sorry, but no problem. You don't have to go there. You just bring him back just like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just make him go back. Yeah, so that's how you can do that. Go forward, go backward. So what I'm gonna try to make him forward instead of going backward. Oh no, that's too narrow. Oh man, no, that's not a good place, for trying this. Now I brought him back to a smoother place, smoother surface. Ooh. And it's bigger. Look at that. So that way you can. Oh, you see Thomas is coming forward now. Come on. Oh, it's fast. And look at this. Thomas has side rod. It has side rod, and I strongly believe this is a licensed product. You can see how smoothly, how nicely it has been made. There's no sign of flaw here. You can see it's really cool. And it has something that helps Thomas, I think, go backward. Okay, here you can see. Oh, that's fast. Look at that. Oh, I didn't notice that. So let me go ahead and show you something. Once you press Thomas, you see the eyes. Oh, eyes Google. Now, alright, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift him, and I'm gonna show you how the eyes Google work. And the light, you can see the light. That's awesome. And here you can see side rod. Isn't it cool? Look at the eyes, and I am controlling everything from here. So look at that now. Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, how do you guys like it, and leave your opinion. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching one more time.